Today we're taking apart a Polycom SNP2400. These come in Nortel and Avaya models also. This is the way we take them apart. What you want to do first, take these screws out. Then we use this little tool here, which we're going to have available, a little 45-degree angle pick. We take this pick. There's two small holes in the battery compartment. You want to put the pick in. You want to put this pick in there with the pointed part facing up. And what you want to do is push the top housing out and up. And that will release the two clips that hold the bottom end together. There's a post holding the housing together on the top half of the housing, and normally what we do is just break the handset, break it apart. If you don't want to break it apart and you want to save the housing, what you can do is gently take off the lens. It's on there pretty good. OEM uses a good double stick tape. Take the lens off, pull the little speaker aside, and what you'll do is take an X-Acto chisel blade. You have to slide that chisel blade down on each side of that little post and cut through the glue. There's one side, and there's the other side. And once you cut through that glue, you can open the housing up without damaging it.